2K21 Achieving Your Goal. The first ever Talents Fest for our dear teachers is a new initiative by the Student Cabinet under the able guidance of Reverend Father Nelson Davis, CMI, our Principal, Reverend Father Martin Onasheral, CMI, our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Reggie Kudapat, CMI, our Financial Administrator, the three coordinators, animators of classes 1 to 10 with the help of the students of class 10. The competitions were conducted from 16th to 21st August 2021. There were 11 events in total which was conducted via Microsoft Teams and Google Meet. Our teachers showcased their talents and creativity by actively participating in the competitions.
Endeavour 2021 online competition for the teachers. It was a good experience for me and also all the teachers. Children, personally it took me to my beard time. During my beard time, I had this experience and I participated for the competitions. After 35 years, I have participated in a similar event. It made me nostalgic. And especially I wanted to congratulate my student cabinet and all the students for your coordination and your meticulous planning. Okay, God bless you. God bless you all. Thank you.
Endeavour 2K21 was a unique event to take part, not as a teacher but as a competitor like a student. I really enjoyed the event very well. It reminded me my childhood days when I used to take part in my school events. Thanking all the cabinet members and the students for giving this opportunity by organizing this event. Thank you.
Dear Cabinet members, it was a wonderful experience to be a part of Endeavour 2021. It brought a lot of great nostalgic feeling, and I also appreciate the manner in which the programs were conducted. It was conducted in a very well organized manner. Thank you so much and all the best for your future endeavors.
Hello everyone. It was indeed a pleasure being a part of Endeavour 2K21. The Student Cabinet 2021 has done a stupendous job. You guys are just awesome. I also take this opportunity to thank our principal, Reverend Father Nelson Davis Palisheri, for organizing such a wonderful event on account of the Teachers' Day. Thank you, Father. Endeavour 2K21 took us down the memory lane. There was a time when we teachers used to be children like you all. We used to eagerly participate in all the events conducted in our school. Thanks for giving us that memory back. Thank you so much.
Good morning to one and all. I would thank Father Principal, coordinators and cabinet members for organizing such a wonderful talent, such programs for teachers. It was really amazing and took us back to our childhood memories and the competitive spirit. I once again thank you the cabinet members from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳುವ ಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಬೇರೆ. ನಾವೇ ಆ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತು ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ರೋಮಾಂಚನಕಾರಿ. ಅಂತಹ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Hello everyone, I am Ms. Rabia, HOD of Science Department. I want to convey my sincere gratitude to our principal for providing us with wonderful opportunities to participate in various events of Endeavour 2K21. I am extremely thankful and very proud of our school cabinet who took so much pain in organizing and conducting these events successfully. It was a great initiative, children, to make us feel that we matter. Children, we have thoroughly enjoyed this event and we are all very proud of you. Thank you.
I'm glad that I got one such opportunity where I can explore myself and give myself another chance to feel the competitive spirit and be creative. It was indeed an opportunity to rekindle the child in me. Thank you, respected principal and dear cabinets, for this opportunity.
Endeavour 2K21, Achieving Your Goals. Series of events were conducted for us teachers by our school cabinet members. Students proved their leadership qualities by the meticulous way of planning and executing the event in a well-organized manner. I personally took this as an opportunity to relive my childhood days. I thoroughly enjoyed being a part of it. I thank our principal, coordinators and the student cabinet for creating this opportunity. I wish my children all the success for conducting this Endeavour 2K21.
Endeavour 2K21 is one among the great events in the history of Christ School ICSE. Taking part in the events of that competition gave me the same excitement and enthusiasm like my childhood days. I could thoroughly enjoy and could relive the nostalgic memories of my school days. Words of appreciation to the school cabinet members and those volunteers who planned and executed the program in a very well organized manner. Thank you.